Hey everybody, it's Jeff from Yawk and I'm here in beautiful Atlantic City, just walking from Caesars to Bally's. I checked into Bally's a little while ago, but I've been busy doing other things, so I haven't actually gone up and seen the room. So I'm going to give you guys a room tour and show you what the room looks like. All I know is it's a king on the 33rd floor with an ocean view in the Bally's Tower. So let's go check that out. Once again, when I made my call to book the comped room, I asked the person taking the reservation if I could please have a room in either the Bally's Tower or the Garden Tower, not the Dennis Tower. They said they couldn't make any promises, and again, I went through this once before with Bally's. They said they couldn't make any promises, but they would make a note on the reservation, and I made sure when I checked in earlier today that I didn't go to the kiosk, that I went straight to a reservation agent, and once again, I did get the Bally's Tower. So that seems to work if you're booking a room here at Bally's and you don't want to stay at the Dennis Tower. But again, they said they couldn't make any promises, and I certainly can't either. Let's just say it's a tip. This is Clarice, the Miss America crown. She's hidden in all my Atlantic City videos. Sometimes she's easy to spot, and other times she can be quite elusive. If you spot her, leave a comment below on the timestamp where you found her, and you'll get a shout out on an upcoming video. Hey guys, I hope you're enjoying the video, and if you are, give it a thumbs up, and while you're at it, if you're not subscribed to the New York channel already, subscribe right now. It really does help the channel out. And while you're at it, if you'd like to support the New York channel, just click on that thanks button right underneath the video. I appreciate your support, guys. Don't forget, click the thanks button underneath the video, get a shout out on an upcoming video. Hey guys, if you haven't done so already, don't forget to check out the New York Facebook fan page. It's created and maintained by Dan Kraft, known around here as Real Unc D. He's working hard to maintain that page, so give it a visit, become a member, and do some chatting there. It's a fantastic page. Thanks so much for all you do, Dan. I'll leave a link in the description below so you can give the page a visit. Not a bad ocean view facing north. The day isn't so great outside, a little bit gloomy, but at least it's not raining. As far as the room's concerned, let me know what you thought of it. Leave a comment below. Again, it was comped. It's nothing spectacular, but hey, it's comfortable and it's clean, and that's all I could ask for a comped room. Leave a comment below what you think. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please like, comment, ask some questions, and most importantly, subscribe by clicking on the button on the left. You can visit all of my New York videos by clicking on the top right, or check out my videos on other favorite places to visit by clicking on the bottom right. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you around the city.